Fact, some stocks reach all-time highs even in recessions. In today's video, I will unveil 10 of these players and the trend following strategy that you can employ to dance with them in the rain of market downturns. So get ready for this deep dive that just might change your investment approach. So this strategy has averaged annual returns of 15.5% compared to the S&P 500's 7.9% over the same time period, with significantly lower drawdowns than the S&P 500. Hi friends, I'm Cody Koch. If you're new here, I'm a 25-year veteran investor and hedge fund trader. On my channel, I talk about investing, trading, and business concepts. So I learned about this strategy several years ago as I grew from a value investor and began to adopt other philosophies into my investing career. For those of you who are new to trend following, it's an entirely different philosophy, very different from the value investing world. In fact, a lot of value investors and trend followers very much butt heads on a lot of factors. They do not even see the world the same way. I learned to adopt other philosophies into my investing career over the years. It's a little bit like mixed martial arts, where you start off with one philosophy, you get very good at it, maybe Muay Thai, kickboxing, or jiu-jitsu, and over time, in order to compete, you actually have to adopt other philosophies into your career in order to continue making money in a wide variety of marketplaces. In my case, I began to adopt trend following, mean reversion, and so forth beyond just value investing. So let's get to it. Like all good investments, there are 7 parts to this, and I'm gonna hit on each part as I go through the video. So the first part is to search for stocks that are hitting their all-time new highs in price. To make it simple, you can just set a buy on close order. To save on cost, I recommend using a discount broker. The average holding period of winning trades using this system is about 14 months, which means the majority of your winning trades will be able to benefit from capital gains taxes. The average holding period of losing trades is about 6 months. Next part are exits. Now, exits are incredibly important in trend following. In fact, the vast majority of your edge, your profitability in a trend following strategy actually comes from its exits. So you must have them and you must follow them. In this case, the exit is a 10 times daily average true range, averaged over the last 40 days for each stock. That trailing stop will actually hang from the highest price the stock has hit since you've entered the trade. It's known as a chandelier exit. As the stock price moves higher, that trailing stop will move along with it. Every month or so, go back and double check. You may have to tweak the size of the trailing stop due to the average true range changing in size. Also, as a side note, you need to double check that your broker doesn't cancel your trailing stop from time to time. Some brokers are known to do that. In this system, the market condition test is the setup. So just hitting all-time new highs is a version of a market condition test. As for your position sizing, put no more than 3% of your portfolio into each one of these stocks. As for your psychology, once you have entered the trade, just let the trade do its thing. It will eventually be stopped out. It could take several years. In the meantime, try not to pay attention to the stock other than making sure the trailing stop is still in place. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. So now we'll get to the 10 stocks and I'll show you what they look like. The first stock is CBOE Global Markets Incorporated, ticker symbol CBOE. You can see here on the chart, it just recently hit its all-time high, going way back. And right at the moment, its average true range over the last 40 periods, simple moving average, is $2.40 per share. Multiply that by 10, that means the trailing stop's around $24 per share, which would put it around $130 something per share. So the trail stop would be somewhere about here. Next is Fabrinet, ticker symbol FN. Just hit its all-time high again today. Average true range over the last 40 days is $5.41. That means it's $54 per share on the trail stop, which puts it around $120 something per share on the location of the current trail stop. Next stock is Jables, ticker symbol JBL. ATR is $3.22, so it's $32 trailing stop, puts its trailing stop currently around $100 per share. Next on the list is Murphy USA, ticker symbol MUSA. $6.30 per share, average true range $63, which puts its current location of its trailing stop around $300 per share. Next is McKesson Corporation, ticker symbol MCK. Trailing stop is about $68 per share, which puts it around $390 a share. Next is Selective Insurance Group, ticker symbol SIGI. Trailing stop's around $18, putting its stop at around $82 per share currently. Next stock on our list is Watsco, ticker symbol WSO. Trailing stop's around $92 per share, which puts it at approximately $300 a share. Next stock is Winmark Corporation, ticker symbol WINA, $97 trailing stop, puts it at approximately $310, $15 per share. Next is Kinsale Capital Group, ticker symbol KNSL, $91 per share in trailing stop, puts it around $320 a share. Last but not least is Synopsys Incorporated, ticker symbol SNPS. It's about $110 trailing stop, which puts it at approximately $380 per share. So in this video, I've shown you an investment strategy that's averaged 15.5% annual returns, but I recently did a video showing you 5 stocks and a totally different investment strategy that has averaged annual returns of 18% per year. And you can watch that video here. By the way, in the description, I posted a link to a research study detailing this trend following strategy I showed you. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.